please make certain to review all insurance requirements for commercial permits. If there are any requirements you cannot meet, you will not be issued a permit. The following video will show you how to create an account in the City of Boulder's Land Management, Permitting, and Licensing self-service portal. In your web browser of choice, navigate to the City of Boulder's CSS portal. Click Sign Up. Type your business email address in the text entry box. Click Next. After you click Next, a confirmation email will be sent to the business email address you just provided. Check that email inbox for the email. If you do not see the confirmation email in the inbox, check the spam or junk folder as well. When you find the confirmation email, please open it. In the email, click the Confirm link to validate your email address. When you click the Confirm link, your web browser will open to the registration page for the City of Boulder's Land Management, Permitting, and Licensing self-service portal. Click Register. Enter your personal and business information and create a password as well. Note that if your email address is associated with previous permits, you will be given a chance to connect those permits to your account. Click Submit. When you sign in to the City of Boulder's Land Management, Permitting, and Licensing self-service portal, you will be taken to your dashboard account page. Click Apply. Under Permits, select All. In the list of categories on the left side of the page, select Open Space and Mountain Parks. Make certain to read the specific permit descriptions in order to choose the correct permit type. Next to the permit type you need, click Apply. Please skip the location box. Note that the Save Draft button is located at the bottom of all application screens. This button allows you to save your progress at any time, so you can log back in to finish applying later if you need to take a break. Click Next. Please skip the permit type and description fields as well. Click Next. You will not need to add any additional information to the contact section. The system will automatically add you as the applicant. Click Next. Please note that the questions that appear on this page are tailored to the permit type you have selected. Answer the following questions by selecting the drop-down response that is correct for you. For the business status field, most applicants will choose corporation, which includes LLC. Only fill out the next 3 questions if you did not choose a corporation status. Depending on the permit type you have selected, you may or may not see the Plan Trip Details section. For those filling out the Plan Trip Details section, click Add Row and fill in the details. You may then review your trips and edit them, or delete if needed. Click Next. In the Attachments box, please upload your certificate of insurance. If your group size is greater than 50 participants, you are required to supply a trash, toilet, and parking plan. If this requirement applies to you, you can upload the plan here. Click Next. Make certain to carefully review your entire application details for accuracy. If you need to change any information, you will need to click the Back button and complete those changes. If you are finished and ready to submit, click Submit. Click Pay Now. You will be taken to your shopping cart. To begin the payment process for your $25 application fee, click Checkout. Enter your credit card information. To complete payment of the $25 application fee and charge your credit card, click Process Payment. Please make certain that you only click this button once. You may need to allow a few moments for the payment to process. Within 14 business days, you will receive a follow-up email if any additional items are required to complete your application. When your permit application is completed and processed, you will receive an email stating that you need to pay the final permit fee in order to be issued your approved permit by email. When you receive this email, you will need to log back into the city's self-service portal to complete your payment.